Hey, let's grill some chicken. Let's grill some chicken. All right, welcome back everybody. I'm Dave Garrett, This Vet Cooks, and today, we're gonna grill some chicken. We're gonna bacon wrap it. Yeah, some chicken breast. We're gonna bacon wrap it. Bacon all around it. But before we do that, we're gonna stuff it with some cheese and some ham, a little cordon bleu style, and then we're gonna wrap it in bacon. We're gonna throw it up on the grill. So let's get to putting it all together and let's get grilling. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the HEB natural mild white cheddar cheese. That's what we're going to stuff inside the chicken breast. So we're going to go ahead and cut this up. Now again, looking at the size of the chicken, it's underneath this package here. It's still wrapped up. It's still wrapped up, so don't go panicking. But the breast size looks just about right. So we're going to do maybe about 1/4 of an inch, and we're just going to there we go. That's it. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to do 3 of those. We're still on for 3. We're still on for 3. Now you could do that. You could do it that way, or you can ride the lightning. There you go. Look at that. That's it. So that's 2, and the third one. There we go. All right, we have those 3 pieces. We'll go ahead and put this away. The next component is the ham, and we're using the HEB Reserve, made with whole ham, minimally processed, Black Forest uncured ham. Uncured. We're living on the edge, folks. We're living on the edge. All right, we're just going to get, again, the star of the show here is the chicken, the bacon, then the insides. So I'm going to do a couple of slices of this. It's already pre-sliced, so we'll do maybe 2 slices per chicken breast. I'm taking it out now, that way I'm not fumbling later. It's all about the prep. Oh, look at that. Oops. And there's 2, and guess what? There's 2 more slices. We'll take care of that here in just a moment. Alright, so again, we've got the slices of ham, we've got the cheese ready to go. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the chicken and start dissecting and inserting, and then we'll begin the wrap with the Hill Country Fare Hickory Smoked Sliced Bacon. Here we go. Alright, here's the chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast with rib meat. So it's usually where it comes from, or that's where you'll find the breast. Alrighty, let's get this open. There we go. Oh, look at these. Very nice cuts. Very nice. Hefty. Alright, so we're going to do 3. And open this here just for a second. 1, 2. And there's a smaller one. We'll use that one for later for something else. We're going to use this next big one. Again, the bigger the better, because then we can work with it. And we have these 2 pieces that are going to be saved for a different meal. I don't know yet. We don't know yet, but there we go. 1 and 2. That's it. All right, we're going to use this cutting implement, this tool, the Sunnecko. And I know we were using this, and it's fine, but sometimes, I'm going to get into that breast meat. I want to get in there and one good clean slice. Super sharp. Super sharp. Oh, there it is. It was a Christmas present. My son gave me a year ago, 2 years ago. Very nice. Very seldom used, but when it does get used, it gets the job done. Look at that. There it is. Like a bamboo handle. Super sharp, surgical sharp. Samurai sword sharp. Look at that, so you can get the little protective tip. There we go. Now, all right, everybody stay back. Okay, so what am I going to do? Oh, look at that, super reflective. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to work. We're just going to cut these right down the middle, almost like a butterfly, but we're just going to open up a pocket so we can put the ham in there, put the cheese in there, and then when we wrap it in bacon, it'll all be good. So let's go ahead and take this first one and size it up. Always size up where you're going to make your cut. Know where you're going to make your cut. There we go. Looks like we're going to go right in here. Or maybe back here. Right? It's going to be this one. Now look, here we go. So real quick. Look at that. It's already in. Folks, let your knife do the work. You have it for a reason. It's sharp for a reason. Don't saw. You're not chopping wood. You're not cutting down a tree. Let the blade do the work. Is that deep enough? Look at that. Just about. I'm going to do a little bit deeper. There we go. That's it. That's deep enough. There we go. It's up to the middle knuckle there. So not bad. So we'll get that one's done. That one's ready to go. I don't know if you all remember a while back I had done that cooking. I did the raw coal for the local university's food initiative, and that was one of the things that we're talking about. You know, wow, you know, you're cutting, and it's like, no, it's all about the blade. Let the blade do the work. So it looks like coming back here on this one. Here we go. Look at that. It's already got a slice in there. Oh, it looked like a little cap. Oh, we opened up a little too much, went a little too far down, but we're okay. Yeah, there we go. We actually punched through. We went too low, and it cut through this piece of meat here. So I think we'll be okay. You know what? Maybe I can angle this up a little bit. There we go. We are good. All right, much better. Much better. So see, that's what happens when you use a sharp instrument. You can correct your mistakes. And if you cannot correct them, guess what you can do with your mistakes? You can eat them. That's right. So, all right, let's get going. Here's the third one. Would you look at that? Maybe just a little bit deeper here. I think we've got it. Yeah, we're good to go. Alrighty. Alright, so as an added treat, we're going to do Mrs. Disbeck Cooks. We'll go ahead and add the Slap Yo Mama, and I'm already holding it with the gloves, but I kind of washed them off. I'm going to hold open. We're going to do the inside, then we're going to stuff it, and then we're going to do the outside with the Slap Yo Mama. So let's go ahead and... Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's one. Remember, it's not a full butterfly. Alrighty, there we go. Alright, so let's put these over here. Let's get started on the first one. And there we go. So hunk of slice of cheese. We'll push it all the way in the back. And get our ham. Sorry, buddy, not you. Our dog's name is Ham, and his eyebrows lit up when I said it. Right, there we go. Actually, I should have done one right below, underneath. Kind of give it a wrap. There we go. And there it is. And again, you see how the bacon's just going to go ahead and get wrapped around that. So there's one. Now again, you can choose the amount of cheese you want to put into this. I mean, you could even do no ham. It's up to you, or a different style of ham. It's up to you. But what works, works. And again, we're just trying to get it so it'll close and it'll cook and keep more of the cheese We'll keep more of the cheese in the meat than on the grill, or in the grill itself, in the pit. All right, here's the last one. Thank you. There we go. That's it. That's it. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and flip them backwards. Well, no, I'm going to flip them, leave them like this. There's that. Slap your mama all over that. There we go. And folks, if you've not had this slap your mama, whoa, you don't know what you're missing. Right here. The next thing is to go ahead and wrap it with this Hill Country Fare Hickory Smoked Sliced Bacon. Sorry, my glasses. What are we going to do is we can do one of two things. We can create a lattice. That's going to take time. Or we're going to wrap it and then just toothpicks here and there to keep them all in place. So that's what we're going to try first. Let's go ahead and do the bacon. There it is. Oh my. And the other problem with the lattice is if it does stretch, it does not return. So careful there. Alright. Let's go ahead and we'll just start here. We just kind of, yeah, that was a very terrible slice of bacon. I mean, that was a horrendous slice of bacon. And I got 2 out of that one. Let's just tear it apart now. Alrighty, with the help of Mrs. Zisbeck Cooks, who has already wrapped these up excellently, I was having no luck. So again, now the cut of bacon is going to make a difference. So we use the thinnest slice that we could possibly find, and as I mentioned, once you stretch it, it doesn't come back, so it gets a little worked up, and then of course as it warms up, because you're holding it, it also starts getting a little sticky, and again, well, it gets very pliable, but be careful. All right, just keep track of what you're doing, wrap it one thing at a time, and then we go from there. So there we go. All right, there they are. They're all wrapped up in bacon, a couple of toothpicks. Don't lose track of how many toothpicks you have in here. Right? The last thing you want is somebody to bite into them. But ideally, they should be, you're not going to pick them up and eat them, right? They should be slicing with a knife and hitting it with a fork. But again, just be careful. Keep track of your toothpick count. Other than that, we're done. We're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour or so before we actually start the fire. Again, you can put it in the fridge just to get it all back to tighten up again with the bacon, for the bacon to tighten up. Other than that, you really don't need to. I mean, it's fire ready, but the grill is not ready, and it's like 100 degrees outside, so we're going to wait and let it get a little cooler. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, let's get these turkey breasts onto the, no, they're not. Oh. Go like that. Careful, like that. And like that. There we go. All right, we're going to sit there for about an hour, hour and a half. We'll come back, check it in a little bit later on. But we are going to be replenishing coal, so keep in mind we're going to be opening this up periodically. Well, we've already done the first turn. We've turned the chicken over. It looks great. Bacon's not done, but that's okay because that's all right. We get that noise out of the way. There we go. Alrighty, so I wanted to take a moment again to thank everybody for stopping by, watching the videos, liking the videos, commenting, entering your suggestions. We'll get them done. We'll get them done. Don't worry about that. Again, thank you very much for everything. I do appreciate it. It's what keeps us going, so go ahead and don't hesitate to, if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the button, leave some comments. Let us know if you made these recipes or if you want to see something in the future. Alrighty, also, let's see. Yeah, thought I forgot. It's over here. There it is. Veterans Crisis Line. You know it's there for you. Make the call, 988. When the automated attendant answers, press the 1, and then go from there. Let them know what's going on. Share with them. You're going to have to share with them. They're strangers, but again, they're there for a reason. They're there to listen to you. Also, you don't have to be enrolled in VA benefits to use the Veterans Crisis Line. You're a veteran. Use it. And also everyone else, listen, same thing. 988 works for you too. 988 works for you. So make the call. Don't hesitate. Don't delay. It's there for a reason. Again, make the call. There's all the numbers, and you can chat and you can text. Again, reach out. They're there to help. All right. So make the call. Alrighty. Let's got about another 45 minutes to go over here on the grill. The grill is right over here. There it is. Just off camera. So again, we'll go ahead and stop here, and we'll be back as we take it off, and then we're going to dive right in, and it's going to be delicious. Again, we're making the grilled stuffed chicken breast with mozzarella, some ham wrapped in bacon. So it's bacon wrapped grilled stuffed chicken breast. There we go. Woo, that's a lot. Say that 3 times. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, well, there they are. They've got about another 20 minutes to go, but they're looking fantastic. Bacon's all getting all nice and tight. Cheese is trying to make its getaway, but I think we got that covered. All right, let's go ahead and cover it back up, and let's finish this thing. There it is. Look at that. Looks great. Like I said, the cheese trying to escape. But hey, we got a good flame going on underneath. This should be done an hour and a half later. Go ahead and take off this first one. Would y'all look at that? It does look good. Oh, it's hot too. All right, let's take it inside. Let's cut it up. Let's have some dinner. Here it is on the plate. Don't forget the toothpicks, folks. Keep count of your toothpicks. Last thing you want to chow into is a toothpick. There we go, and there's that last one right there. All right. Go ahead and give it a cut. Let's take a look, and let's give it a tasty taste. Oh, look at that. That's done. There's your bacon. Obviously, it didn't go far enough for the ham, but the ham and the cheese are back there. Let's spin this around. Like I said, there's the cheese trying to make its escape, but that'll be fine. Go ahead and oops. Tender, juicy. All right, let's give it the big old tasty taste. There it is. There it is. Again, bacon wrapped, stuffed chicken breast, stuffed with mozzarella cheese. No, white cheddar. It's white cheddar. Sorry about that. The mozzarella was from the other week. Oh, the white cheddar and some ham. Here we go. Mmm. 2 thumbs up, and I forgot to mention, slap your mama all over that thing. Mmm. That's fantastic. I'm Dave Guerra, and this vet cooks.